Hello, this is my Module 5 reflection. The top three websites that I looked at were the Kathy Strauch's one, where it has so many things to choose from, and like teachers can learn from there too. It's not just it's things to use for your kids in classroom, but it's more of like learning stuff for your classroom rather than learning the topic that you're talking about and stuff like that. I also liked Brain Pop and how they have all the different topics just sitting at the front, like science, social studies, English. Then you can kind of narrow it down more as to what you're looking for. And then the last one, I like the Quia or the Kia, however you use it. Um, all those websites could be useful in the classroom, and the fee-based sites, I just looked at the Kia and it was like 99 a year for an instructor. Um, I think it could be worth it. I think more if you have like the third and fourth grade or fifth and sixth, the higher grades because they're more likely to be able to use the technology rather than if you have a first or second grader trying to get them all to work their Chromebooks or iPads can be kind of difficult in my opinion. But so yeah, I'd say if you teach the older grades and be more useful, and if especially if the school provides you with technology for them to use like laptops and stuff like that, I feel like it could be good to send out a quiz and give them links to everything, but it could be kind of difficult to if the link doesn't work for one of them or yeah, just stuff like that can make it complicated, but I think it would be useful. um, I did like using the Quia or the Kia. I made a quiz and I made a rags to riches one, and it was super simple. All you had to do was type in your options, click the right answer, and then it just gives you a link for the students to take that. And so yeah, I think that was very it was a good website to use. And then it shows you your grade and what you got, and you can do it over and over if you want to. So yes, I did like that. I would definitely use that as a teacher because it's useful for the students and helps them obtain knowledge and practice their knowledge, and you can see that throughout all the students taking it. Um, Able to find any useful resources. I think all of the open educational resources were beneficial. I think they all can be beneficial. It's just a matter of looking to see what you're looking for. And whichever website has those that you're looking for. So, like, if you're looking for like social studies games, it's kind of takes a lot of time to research what's good for the students and what will most benefit or what will benefit them the most in using that. Um, I see them as important sources of content in the future because when teaching your students, I think it's really helpful to use an online website because it gives you a lot of information and it gives the students a lot of information and it's easy to access. Like a student can just get on their laptop or the computer at home and just type it in and they can automatically be at that website. I think it's good for practicing a topic, and if they want to play games to learn, I think that's very helpful. And so, yeah,